Imagine if a simple set of numbers, hidden in your birth date, could reveal the deepest mysteries about who you are, why you're here, and what your destiny holds. Sounds unbelievable? In this video, we're unlocking the powerful secrets of your birth chart through the lens of numerology, where each number pulses with energy, meaning, and purpose unique to you. From your life path to your soul urge, these numbers map out your strengths, challenges, and life's purpose in ways you never imagined. Are you ready to decode the ancient wisdom that's been quietly guiding you all along? Check the description below to find out where to compose your own birth chart, and be sure to stick around, because by the end of this journey, you'll see your life in a completely new light. For centuries, civilizations across the globe have gazed at the stars, seeking guidance and meaning in their celestial dance. The origins of astrology can be traced back to ancient Mesopotamia, where priests and astrologers meticulously observed the movements of celestial bodies. The Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans further developed these practices, integrating them into their cultures and belief systems. Numerology, too, has ancient roots, its principles found in various forms across different civilizations. From the mystical teachings of Kabbalah to the philosophical insights of Pythagoras, numbers have long been recognized as powerful symbols that hold profound vibrations. Today, both astrology and numerology are experiencing a resurgence in popularity as individuals seek deeper meaning and connection in a fast-paced world. Through these ancient practices, we tap into a timeless wisdom that connects us to the cosmos and illuminates our unique place within it. Imagine a circular chart divided into 12 sections, each representing a different area of life. This is your birth chart, a snapshot of the celestial tapestry at your birth. Within this blueprint lie the positions of the sun, moon, and planets. Think of these celestial bodies as actors on a cosmic stage. The sun shines its light on your purpose. The moon reflects your deepest needs. Your ascendant shapes your outward personality. These elements create a complex portrait of your unique cosmic makeup. Let's delve into the significance of the sun, moon, and ascendant in your birth chart. Your sun sign reveals your core identity and life purpose. The moon sign governs your emotional world and instincts. Your ascendant shapes your outward personality and approach to the world. Understanding these elements offers deeper insight into your motivations and interactions. Section 5. Your birth chart, a guide to daily living. Your birth chart is not just a static document, it's a dynamic tool for navigating the ebb and flow of life. By understanding the planetary transits, which are the current positions of the planets in relation to your birth chart, you can gain valuable insights into the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. For instance, if you're embarking on a new career path, understanding the influence of planets like Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars can provide guidance and support. Jupiter, the planet of expansion and abundance, might bring favorable opportunities your way. Saturn, the planet of discipline and structure, might test your commitment and require hard work and perseverance. And Mars, the planet of action and energy, can fuel your drive and determination. By aligning your actions with the cosmic rhythms, you can navigate challenges with greater ease, seize opportunities with confidence, and live in greater harmony with the universe. Section 6. Numerology, decoding your vibrant numbers. Now let's explore the fascinating world of numerology. Just as astrology uses the positions of celestial bodies, numerology assigns meaning to numbers, revealing hidden patterns and vibrations that influence our lives. Each number from 1 to 9 carries a unique vibration and symbolism. For example, 1 represents new beginnings, leadership, and individuality, while 7 is associated with introspection, spirituality, and seeking knowledge. In numerology, your birth date is reduced to single digits to reveal your life path number, destiny number, and soul urge number, each offering insights into your purpose, talents, and desires. For example, if your life path number is 5, you might be drawn to adventure, freedom, and experiencing life to the fullest. By understanding the meanings behind these numbers, you can gain a deeper understanding of your strengths, weaknesses, and karmic lessons. Section 7. Living in harmony with your cosmic blueprint. Now that you've delved into the world of birth charts and numerology, how can you apply this knowledge to your everyday life? Embrace your birth chart as a roadmap, not a rule book. It's a guide to understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and potential, empowering you to make conscious choices that align with your soul's purpose. Use your knowledge of planetary transits to navigate challenges and opportunities. For example, if you're going through a period of introspection and soul-searching, embrace the energy of this time to connect with your inner wisdom and explore new spiritual practices. Incorporate numerology into your daily life by paying attention to the numbers that appear around you. These synchronicities might hold messages and guidance from the universe. Remember, your journey of self-discovery is an ongoing process. Embrace the ebbs and flows, the highs and lows, as opportunities for growth and transformation. Section 8. Embracing your journey of self-discovery. As you continue to explore the depths of your birth chart and numerology, remember that you are a co-creator of your destiny. The cosmos may provide a blueprint, but you have the free will to make choices that shape your life's journey. Embrace the wisdom of the ancient practices of astrology and numerology, not as rigid dictates, but as powerful tools for self-awareness, growth, and transformation. The journey of self-discovery is a lifelong adventure, filled with twists and turns, moments of joy and challenges that test our spirits. As you delve deeper into the mysteries of your birth chart and numerology, approach this exploration with an open mind, a compassionate heart, and a sense of wonder. Trust the guidance of the universe and embrace the transformative power of self-knowledge.